Just do another McDonald's toy review. Today we're going to be talking about the Smurfs and the Lost Village toys. You see, here we got a Hefty. Then you got like the ladybug that takes pictures. Got the glow bunny. We got Brainy here. See? And you got some Smurfette here. See? There's some more of them, but I don't have a lot of them. But they shouldn't be in McDonald's anymore. Okay? But this is Grandpa Smurf. Here is Willow, the leader of the girl Smurfs. Yeah. Here's Artie Smurf. I likes to do R's. Yeah. And here's Chef Smurf. Here's Chef Smurf. I can't really remember his name, but I think it's Chef Smurf. I'm not sure. And here are the houses I have. It should be like about 6 or something. I don't know. Like this one I have this one, I have this one, and I also have this one. Okay? Yeah, that's all I have. So, see you in the next toy review.